Container gardening is a fantastic way to grow plants in small spaces, but it comes with unique challenges. Unlike traditional garden beds, container soil can become compacted, waterlogged, or depleted of nutrients much faster. To keep your plants thriving, you need the right soil amendments to improve drainage, nutrient content, and aeration. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 soil amendments that will transform your container garden into a lush, productive oasis. Before we dive in, I have a small request. Please don't skip the ads in this video. Watching them helps me continue creating high-quality gardening content for you. Now let's get started. Perlite, the drainage booster. One of the biggest issues with container gardening is poor drainage. When soil holds too much water, roots can suffocate, leading to root rot and fungal diseases. That's where perlite comes in. Perlite is a lightweight volcanic rock that improves aeration and drainage by keeping the soil from compacting. It creates tiny air pockets that allow roots to breathe while preventing excess moisture from lingering. This is especially important for plants like succulents, herbs, and tomatoes, which hate sitting in soggy soil. To use perlite, mix it into your potting soil at a ratio of about 1:4, that is, 1 part perlite to 4 parts soil. This ensures a well-draining, well-aerated environment for your plants to flourish. Coconut coir, the moisture regulator. On the flip side, some plants struggle with soil that dries out too quickly. This is a common problem in hot climates or for plants in terracotta pots. Coconut coir is the perfect amendment to help balance moisture retention. Made from the husk of coconuts, coir is an eco-friendly alternative to peat moss. It holds water without becoming waterlogged and releases it slowly as plants need it. It also improves soil structure, preventing it from compacting over time. Plus, it's resistant to mold and pests, making it an excellent addition to your container soil. Mix coconut coir into your potting mix at about 20 to 30% of the total volume. This helps create a well-balanced soil that stays moist but not soggy. Worm castings, the nutrient powerhouse. If you want your plants to be healthy and productive, they need a steady supply of nutrients. Instead of relying solely on synthetic fertilizers, consider using worm castings. Worm castings, also known as vermicompost, are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They also contain beneficial microbes that help break down organic matter and improve soil health. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, worm castings release nutrients slowly, providing a long-lasting boost without the risk of burning your plants. To use worm castings, mix a handful into the soil when potting plants or sprinkle a thin layer on top of your containers every few weeks. This will ensure your plants receive a constant supply of nutrients without over-fertilization. Biochar is one of the most underrated soil amendments for container gardening. This carbon-rich material is created by burning organic matter at high temperatures in a low-oxygen environment. The result is a porous, lightweight substance that enhances soil fertility and water retention while promoting beneficial microbial activity. One of biochar's biggest benefits is its ability to hold on to nutrients and slowly release them over time. This means plants have access to essential minerals for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent fertilization. Biochar also improves drainage and aeration, making it perfect for container plants that need well-structured soil. To use biochar, mix it into your potting soil at a rate of about 10% of the total volume. If possible, charge it first by soaking it in compost tea or a diluted fertilizer solution to maximize its benefits. Compost, the all-in-one amendment. No soil amendment list would be complete without compost. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, compost is a must-have for container gardening. Compost improves soil structure, adds vital nutrients, and increases beneficial microbial activity. It also helps with moisture regulation, ensuring your soil retains just the right amount of water. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, compost enriches the soil naturally, leading to healthier plants over time. You can make your own compost from kitchen scraps, yard waste, and coffee grounds, or buy high-quality compost from a garden center. Mix compost into your potting mix at about 20 to 30% of the total volume for the best results. You can also add a thin layer of compost on top of your containers every few weeks to replenish nutrients. Conclusion: build the perfect container soil. The secret to a thriving container garden is in the soil. By using the right amendments, perlite for drainage, coconut coir for moisture balance, worm castings for nutrients, biochar for soil health, and compost for overall enrichment, you can create the perfect growing environment for any plant. Instead of settling for low-quality potting mixes, take control of your soil and give your plants what they need to thrive. With the right combination of amendments, you'll see stronger root growth, healthier foliage, and more abundant harvests. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven for more expert gardening tips. And don't forget to share this video with fellow gardeners. Let's grow together.